Hello, everyone. This is Mike. I'm the founder and CEO of SuiteDash. Today, we're unveiling a powerful new feature designed to streamline your workflows and make communications crystal clear. Introducing Custom UIDs. If you've ever struggled to communicate, track, or identify a specific asset within SuiteDash, think clients, staff, projects, work requests, etc., then this is a game changer. UID stands for Unique Identifier. And while SuiteDash already has UIDs in the system, they are more machine-type UIDs, long cryptic numbers that are frankly really difficult to use for humans. They're great for computers and programming, but they're difficult for humans. Custom UIDs change all of that. They allow you to create human-readable, easy to search, easy to share, unique identifiers for all your key assets in the platform.
And here's a good example. See the difference? Instead of a string of random characters that looks like you smashed your keyboard, you can have something clear and concise like this, like PROJ_882. Easy to pass. I can say it easily. I can copy it. I can paste it in a text message. Or crucially, it can be used in the beginning of the project title, which helps me identify it very nicely.
Now, before you dive in and start customizing everything, I need to point out that custom UIDs are not enabled in existing accounts. You'll need to turn the feature on, and you'll need to choose what prefixes you want to use for your existing records. You can use abbreviations, initials, client codes, whatever makes sense for your business and how you want to organize your data. But, and this is a big but, once you choose these and activate, the UIDs for your existing records will be created using the prefixes you chose, and this cannot be changed. So maybe brainstorm a bit, grab a whiteboard, talk to your colleagues, make sure that you get this right and that you're happy with your choice before you commit.
So it's really quite simple to get activated. You just go to the flyout menu, as you can see here, and go to Content Settings. And here at Content Settings, you'll see that it's UID settings. Let's click here. And then you'll be presented with the description of what UIDs are and the button to kick off the activation. Now go ahead and click this one. Don't be afraid, because before you activate, you will check these and make sure that they are just as you would like them to be. You have the ability to change these if you'd like, but again, once you decide and activate, these are set in stone for you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and proceed. And here is my message. Activation process is underway. This process can take up to 24 hours to complete. We'll email you when the process is completed.
So you bravely enabled custom UIDs and you've chosen your prefixes and you've hit activate. What happens next? Well, SuiteDash gets to work creating those shiny new UIDs and applying them to every single existing record in your account. Now, this is a background process, so you can keep working. It's not going to be a problem. And don't worry, we won't leave you hanging. The super admin on your account will receive an email notification as soon as the activation process is complete. Now, try to get some sleep. I know it's really exciting, but you'll be okay. We'll send you an email.
All right, so the super admin received an email notification and custom UIDs have been activated in this account. Now you will see something that looks a little different. It'll show you the prefix and the number that will be assigned next for CRM targets. If you click to staff, you'll see the same. Projects the same, work requests the same. Now, from here, we discussed that all your existing assets will have this prefix, but you can change this prefix now if you'd like. And also in the future, you can do that. For example, if you wanted to have 2025 as your prefix for the year 2025, and then when we move to 26, you want to change this, then you'll always be able to reset your number to 0. As long as the prefix is different, everything will be fine. The only restriction is that if you have the same prefix, you can't go to a lower number here, which makes sense because then you would override an existing number. And these precautions make sure that your UIDs remain unique and original and exclusive so that you can never have two items with the same UID. Okay, so now let's look at how you can use this UID. Here we are in our companies list. Now that it's activated, you will see in the menu here that you have this new option, Copy Custom UID. Here is Copy Integration UID if you need that, and here's the Custom UID. And then you also notice if you go inside the company dashboard that you will be able to see the Custom UID here, the target Custom UID here, and you can also copy them from here. The integration and the Custom UID are both available for you. If you access it a lot, you can set it as a favorite and drag it to the top, say for example. And now you can always copy it very quickly. And you can use that to search or pass to another colleague, etc. All right, let's look at this angle of how you can use it. So let's just go to this book cover design by Billy Joel, for example. We'll click here and we'll just copy the custom ID of this project. And now if I'm on my dashboard and I just want to get to that project quickly, someone passes it to me by DM or by phone, I can just access the quick find very easily by typing the letter F. I'm going to switch this to projects and I'm going to paste in the ID that I copied, and here we are. It surfaces the exact right project, which I can go right to. I could start a timer, I can go into edit, etc. If I wanted to search for that target, I still have that on my clipboard. I could search for that one. It takes me back to Veritech, which of course we saw before. Okay, here's another great use case. Let's say we're building a project generator and we always want the project name to have the project UID as the first aspect. So we could just use that, click to project custom UID, and there we go. And we can then continue to build our file name that consists of mostly placeholders, because that makes each project title or project name unique as it's generated from this project generator. And you'll also find the custom UIDs in the filters. We can search easily by this custom UID and it'll surface the project straight away. So it's all about seamless integration into your existing workflows.
Now let's talk about the crucial difference between custom UIDs and integration UIDs. Custom UIDs are meant for human interaction, meaning I can pass to you via the phone or a direct messenger or an email. They're easy to share anytime you want to specifically reference a specific item. Integration UIDs, on the other hand, are for machines to read, and they are very complex, long, strong hashes, and these are the ones you would use in an API or in webhook data, etc. So don't mix them up. Integration UIDs are for the behind-the-scenes programmatic magic, and custom UIDs are for you as a human to pass to other humans and use to search and sort, those kind of things. And that, sweet mates, is the power of custom UIDs, a simple feature that'll have a huge impact on your day-to-day operations and communications. As always with SuiteDash, it's about working smarter, not harder. So enable those custom UIDs. Start using them and let us know what you think. Drop your questions, your success stories, and even your prefix ideas in the comments below. And as always, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little bell for more tips and tricks. All right, sweet mates, keep being awesome. See ya. Bye.